Struggling to bring your product idea to life? Whether you're launching a new innovation or refining an existing design, sourcing the right components can be one of the most frustrating parts of the process. That's where an adhesive tape converter comes in. These specialized partners do more than just cut tape. They help you solve problems, reduce cost, and streamline production. In this video, you'll learn how an adhesive tape converter can benefit your project and how you can identify the right converter for you. Working with an adhesive tape converter can significantly improve your product development process by offering specialized support in 5 major areas. First, converters provide expert material sourcing. Their strong relationships with suppliers grant them access to a broader selection of materials, better pricing, and custom roll sizes that regular buyers typically can't obtain. This advantage not only streamlines sourcing, but also ensures your project has the right materials from the start. Another key benefit is design refinement. Converters bring deep expertise in flexible materials and can identify opportunities to optimize your design for efficiency and cost. Whether it's tightening or relaxing tolerances, rethinking the layering of materials, or minimizing the number of production steps, these refinements help reduce costs and speed up manufacturing without compromising performance. Prototyping is the third essential benefit. Instead of waiting until full-scale production to test a concept, converters can create early samples and prototypes, allowing you to evaluate materials and functionality in real-world conditions. This hands-on validation helps you avoid costly design errors and ensures that the final product will perform as intended. Next, converters specialize in turning raw materials into practical, ready-to-use components. Rather than receiving massive rolls of adhesive tape that need further processing, you get custom-cut parts tailored to your specific application. This reduces waste, simplifies inventory, and saves valuable production time. Finally, converters help support process automation. A seasoned converter can adapt your design for automated assembly, making it easier to scale production down the line. Their insights into automation-ready solutions can lower labor cost and boost efficiency, setting you up for long-term manufacturing success. When it comes to finding the best adhesive tape converter, it's important to find a converter who matches the specific value proposition that you are looking for. Some converters specialize in the lowest cost option, some specialize in specific capabilities, and some specialize in specific markets. A converter like Strouse will take the time to understand your unique application and challenges and help guide you to the best solution. This type of reliable converter will guide you from concept to completion using prototyping and material testing to ensure the solution is both functional and scalable. It's easy to fall into the trap of choosing a converter who simply quotes your drawing and delivers a part. But without understanding your needs, that part might be out of spec or incompatible with your process. If that's not what you're looking for, it's worth considering converters with proven credentials, such as those designated as a 3M preferred converter. It reflects a high standard of quality and technical capability. With nearly 4 decades of experience, Strouse is one of those top-tier converters, offering solutions across industries like automotive, aerospace, medical, and electronics. If you want to learn more about working with an experienced converter, feel free to check out our Learning Center for more videos and articles, or you can always reach out to us directly. Thanks for watching.